Oh god.
Okay, alright. So let's, what is... Also, do you like how bright it is? Okay.
No.
I know, neither do I. But,
Turn down the light.
yeah,
You did that.
I know. Well, look at that. Like, this isn't real textures. Um,
Yeah,
so,
that's you.
I know that's me, but I don't know how to fix.
Why are you streaming on this map then? The one that's broken for
Because
you.
it's the only one that
And
loads.
overly... Why you have so many problems?
So, are we gonna do like introductions, or I don't really know how
No.
this is gonna work.
We're just gonna start right in.
Okay, well, in that case, I guess the first thing that I finally finished that I'm happy about is strategic zoom, which finally works, which is slightly unimpressive, but basically if I zoom into a location, it goes to my mouse cursor, which is really nice. Even if I'm at some weird angle, it still goes directly to the mouse cursor, which is okay. That's pretty much all that does. That took way longer than it ever should have to actually get working. It was actually pretty simple. It was meant to work a different way in the first place. The other stuff I've been doing is pretty much just trying to work with weather systems. These are sort of like temporary, sort of almost placeholders for now. I intend to do this with blueprints later, which these are, but different blueprints. So basically this is just like a sort of really bad rain effect.
Why is it orange?
Because I have it selected and that's how it shows particles.
Make it not. Make it not.
It's not now. So yeah, it's rain. It's super exciting. It looks okay. So I intend to make it look a little bit different than that at some point or another. The snow is pretty awesome. If I can get it to be here. Also the cloud is going to be invisible again. I should probably make the default values of this at some point or another. I just didn't really care that much. Also that's the wrong value. There's snow. I'm going to make this bigger. I don't know why it's spreading out like that. I can make
It
it
was like
not
a shotgun.
It will spread out a little bit. This is mostly just like sort of a placeholder type thing again. Like I intend to implement this slightly differently, but the snow does look pretty good, I think.
Yeah, I like the snow.
So it's pretty neato.
Does it like stick and accumulate on the ground?
No, I didn't actually make it do that. I should. I did do that with the hail, so I mean the idea is there. I just didn't actually apply that to the snow yet because it's not the finalized version. I just didn't really. I don't know if that's actually how the
So the
particles are
hails-
going to end up working out. The hail does do that though. This is another thing. I'll just ignore the fact that there's no clouds. You can ignore that. But yeah, it does actually like bounce up off the ground and kind of stick there. Now it's harder to. Okay, that's where it is. If we were to have like actual mountains or something, it will actually, you know,
Yeah, tumble.
respect that.
Respected.
It's like there's a mountain here. I have to bounce off of it appropriately and all that. So yeah, that's pretty much the weather system I've been working on. These are literally like basically just squares, but whatever. It's just an idea. General idea being we will have these systems eventually. Snow is the one I'm most impressed with. I'd like to have one where it actually like sits on the ground and stuff. But yeah, this doesn't yet.
Well, that's pretty cool.
The snow's a lot crazier as you get higher. It's a lot slower as you get lower.
Makes sense.
The rain gets faster as it goes down, and so does the hail.
You gonna create a winter wonderland?
I am. We have an Arctic map just for it, that I'm not using because this map, I don't know, it's faster.
Okay, so who's next? Me or you, Kill?
Yeah, go for you.
Go for me? Alright, that means you get to do the outro again. So
No,
you're
no,
still
no,
doing
I'll
that.
do it.
My screen.
Me.
I stopped
me,
streaming.
me.
Okay, you can't just keep saying me.
Me.
I already switched to my screen.
Me.
So. It's too late.
I'm gonna do bad at outro.
It's okay. That's the expected result.
Oh.
Alright, so on your VLC you can just switch to, instead of Titus,
Blood?
just put blood, yeah.
Nice.
I already figured that out.
Yeah, I'm sure. Kill didn't.
You're a bitch. I didn't do it because I was sitting there trying to, because it's gonna be me this time, bitch. Me.
No.
Me.
It's
Me.
already me.
Me.
Okay. So, you guys remember last week, or not last week, like 2 weeks ago, I said these things were gonna be weekly, but I lied. That's why I said weekly last week. But 2 weeks ago, I showed you the little like sorting menu thingies.
I remember that.
Yeah. I don't know if I said this on the video or not, but I hated them because they were really bad. And so basically immediately after the video was recorded, I deleted all of the files that had anything to do with them and redid it. So now it looks like this, which I think is way cooler. I don't actually...
Oh, okay.
Look, you gotta give it a second, Kill. How does computer work? Okay, so basically the premise here is it's arranged into columns. You can sort both descending or ascending. You can sort by all the different types of, you know, stats like hull, shield, things like that. I think it's way better than the other system that, if I remember correctly, didn't even have any kind of sorting like this. So I've been working on the sorting system because, believe it or not, Unreal doesn't really have one built in for any kind of thing like this. So this is that we're aware of, correct? But I know UMG basically doesn't, and Blueprint has no way to sort any kind of array built in. So I've been doing a lot of this stuff from scratch. But anyway, yeah. So this is the ship dock sort of menu, and over here, this transfer is now spelled correctly. You'll be happy to know.
It's no longer transfer.
It's no longer transfer.
Which, I'm just gonna point out I'm upset about.
All right. Well, you can submit an issue report,
Okay.
and I'll close it immediately. But as
After
long
you
as
change it back to transfer.
nah, before.
Yeah, we'll see.
Alright, so if you want to transfer some cargo, you'd click this, and this is using the same type of menu system as before. These are basically a sort of debug view of the resources on this planet. So obviously the names are randomly generated, and they're all resources at the moment. They have a quantity on the right, so you can sort by how much you have in your cargo stores. In the future, this would be split up into 2 columns, of course, and you'd be able to transfer back and forth between the planet and your ship. But for now, I'm just doing this for debugging purposes. I'm just working on the actual menu system itself. This search doesn't work, so ignore it. So yeah, you can sort this just like the other one. And these stats, this is a very interesting system, I think. Basically, it works on a level of extremeness. So we tried to come up with a way to convey what the resource is without overloading you with information, because these have like 20 something stats, and we didn't want to just like list them all right here because that would be just an overload. Right now it looks still like a bit of an overload, but this is work in progress. Eventually we're going to color code this and make it a little bit different than this, but basically if a resource is close, like how close a stat of a resource or a property of a resource is to its minimum, maximum, or 0 determines the extremeness of that. So you can tell like roughness, and I'll just, you know, sort of tell you most of the resources are generated between -1,000 and 1,000. So -940 is an extremely unrough property of this resource, and if that is useful to you in any way, you'll be able to tell. Whereas a resource with like -500, it's not. It's kind of average. You're not going to be able to really use that roughness stat in particular of that resource. So I think Titus actually came up with this idea. Correct me if I'm wrong on that, but
it was me.
yeah, go ahead and take credit. But yeah, I did implement this. It basically displays the top 5 most extreme properties of a resource. So you can sort by this. Right now it's alphabetical. In the future, probably going to come up with some sort of smarter algorithm to determine the most and least extreme resources or something like that. And also in the future, another thing that I think this is kind of a joint idea between Titus and myself, but we want to have a system where the user can sort of tag resources as certain things. So if you discover a resource and you say, okay, this resource is really good for electrical stuff, it has high capacitance, high conductivity and all that, you can tag it with a color and a name and all that and say blue, and you'll be able to sort by that, filter by that. That's all coming in the future, so expect that. At least some of a prototype system of that in the next devlog video. But yeah, that has been what I've been working on for the past 2 weeks or so.
Yeah, the whole idea of the tagging system is just that you can keep track of your resources. Once you get hundreds of resources and are losing control of I don't know what all I have everywhere,
right.
You'll be able to track that specific resource between each planet.
Yeah, and there will be more details.
All the good resources for building specific things. This is good for armor, this is good for electrical work, like you said, and all that stuff.
Right, and there'll be more details about that in the future. It's the system hasn't even really been started yet. It's all just kind of in ideas land, and when we get some more concrete work done on that, then we'll definitely be showing that off. So that's it for me. Any other comments about this stuff?
Transfer.
No, it's gonna be transfer. We're a professional game development company, Titus. We have to spell our things correctly.
I like transfer. Do we not get to see your taskbar?
Fuck you. Create. Don't laugh.
Oh, God.
It's funny, though.
Hold on, give me a second.
1.
More. Oh, right.
2.
Did I get rid of it? No, I didn't get rid of it, right? Hopefully I didn't get rid of it. Window.
Why are you so unprepared for this?
Hold on. And then we're gonna... Whoops. Missed it.
Well, you're watching our next dev stream.
Alright.
Tuning in.
Is that all you need? I forget. Let's see.
I don't know. It's for what?
Okay, hold on.
Oh my God. Okay. Well, anyway, go ahead and talk about your stuff then.
Okay, alright. So what I've been working on is recreating the in-game menu that the in-game UI that people will be seeing on the planet view, and that's it. And we did good, boys.
Demonstrate features.
All right, so and one of the things I changed up was the top bar. Made it so it didn't span across the whole screen, and I made it so they're little modules, and hopefully.
And the bars are blue.
Yeah, and the bars are blue, and hopefully later on we'll be able to make it so that the UI is movable, modular. Be able to grab it and reposition things on your screen how you would like it and customize it. Oh boy.
Bars should be different colors.
The bars should be different colors?
At the top.
Well, I mean, we can change the... We could even make it a setting to change... we'll have a default. We'll change it on our own, but we could possibly set it up so that the players can modify it to change it however they want to.
Sure.
Yeah.
Hey, you're only adding work to yourself.
I know.
I'm not gonna do any of that. It's all you.
I know.
So.
I know. This has been me, but also one of the things I've been working on is if we were to ever make a small windows that maybe a player wants to keep up, is the ability to move it around and drag it, and I don't even know if that's a showcase-worthy thing, but
It's a thing you made, so hey, why not?
Yeah.
What are the
Right.
bars?
What are the bars?
HUD?
The bars
Towards the bottom of the screen.
towards the
Yeah.
bottom. Oh, all right. Also, the planet energy, which will represent the energy that is on the planet, such as like power, right? This is like to you guys, right? Right, like energy, like maybe the planet's like running out. So the planet, you'll be able to see the planet energy on the. Let's.
Yes, it's planet. It's the amount of power, yes, that you're producing versus consuming. It's like any other RTS, basically.
Yeah.
What's the other bar?
Yeah, we'll get into that, Titus. I had to close that window.
Work in progress.
Yeah. Alright, what's the other bar? The other bar is the planet shield. So, if you're under attack, you'll be able to see your shields going down. You'll zoom on out in space battles.
Can we get like a cool little icon for one of those? Maybe.
Cool little. Oh yeah. Like I'll make it really big, covers the whole screen. It's really red and it'll flash and scream at you.
Sure, yeah, cool, whatever.
Yeah.
Just make it look good.
I feel like there was a bit of a jump there.
A little icon? Yeah, sure. Cover the whole screen.
It's like, yeah, let's make the whole screen red.
I think it could work. So yeah.
Boolid.
So there are buttons too.
Boolid?
Boolid.
Boolid.
Much like us in having Trasenfer, now we have bullets. And bullets are meant for building. You think it'd mean building, but it's bullets. Bring back Trasenfer.
Start a petition on change.org. If it gets 100,000 signatures, I will change it. I promise.
You don't want to make that promise.
I'm making the promise. If it gets 100,000 signatures, it's worth doing.
Yeah, it is. All right. So
Anyone
buttons.
that wants it. Why are you upset?
No, because maybe he feels that he needs to.
What?
What?
So buttons.
Right, the buttons. You hit the button and look at it. It moves. You hit that button, it moves. This one creates the little default window here, the work in progress. It's yep, definitely a work in progress.
Wow, I've never seen that happen.
Well,
I
yeah.
have, because he was streaming it the other day.
So that's the work in progress we got going on here, and this kind of.
It'd actually be pretty
Straight.
cool if, like, when you click the resources button, like, you just brought it up in the little box to the right there, and there was just a button. It's like a pop-out button, and then you could click that.
Oh wait, hold on. Are you saying like you click this and it like pops up?
Well, it, like, the resources menu, like, populates the little box on the right.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then there's just, like, a pop-out button, and then you just click that, and it creates that window.
Blood was the one that was going for it, but if Blood can make it so it just fits in this box, like, boom. Boom, can be
The
done.
resources menu?
Huh?
What, the
Yeah,
resources
yeah.
menu?
Imagine, alright, Blood, imagine this.
That's an idea.
Blood, imagine this. Blood. It pops up in here, and then there's another little button that's like, boom, and it pops up full screen, like a full screen toggle.
It pops, but it's still in the bottom little bar window.
Yeah, like more condensed. It's like a condensed version down here. You
I'm
click
already
it.
making the condensed version, and it's gigantic.
Okay, we condense it more. We need the power to do this. We condense it to small little smalls, and
Phones. Just make
Small
them
little
smaller.
smalls.
yeah, We do small little smalls, and then you click it up here, and then there's condensed, and it's woo. Imagine, all right, here. How about it's really how about it's really condensed, and all right, we can make it so like it's just the name and the color of the resource, and they're just stacked. I don't know. Ideas.
I'll see what I can do.
Ideas, and we're throwing them out there. Let's go.
I'll see what I can do.
All right, you'll see.
Just move the button. Oh, we could do any number of things. Again,
Yeah,
all of this is work in progress.
Yeah,
so.
everything we got going on here. Also,
I even have the same game by the end. It might be a first-person shooter, or like some sort of weird tactical shooter where you like go in and, breach into homes and stuff.
Hey, we don't talk about that.
Wait, what?
We don't talk about that.
I mean, I wasn't referring to anything in particular.
Yeah, you just happen to say the exact word refers to that thing in particular that you're not referring to.
The word homes?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Okay.
Sherlock Holmes. We're making a
Not the same word.
we're making an investigation game.
All right, Kill. You need to stop stalling and do the outro.
The outro. Okay, outro. What do you want me to mention? You want me to mention the
All
YouTube?
Same things
YouTube.
as last time.
I deleted it. Okay, YouTube, Twitter.
Video?
Is this bi-weekly?
This
Yeah,
is
we're-
regularly-ish.
Regularly-ish, but sometimes late, like this time.
For the most part,
Because
bi-weekly.
Somebody falls asleep.
Somebody falls asleep. Yep.
Someone's a sleepyhead. I wonder who that could be.
Do the outro.
All right, I gotcha. Okay. It's just on the tip of my pants. So we can all right. So if you like what we're doing here, you can okay. So if you like what we're doing here, you can like and follow and fuck everything we have.
Oh my god.
I keep thinking like and subscribe, but no. If you like it, you can. What is it on YouTube? I don't know. Yeah, it's like.
Yeah,
can
it's
Like and subscribe our YouTube, follow our Twitter, like us on Facebook, and check out our Patreon to give us the monies. Right? That's essentially what I'm going for. Okay.
I'm just gonna use what you just did.
No.
It's fine.
No. But I didn't mention the Twitchies.
Okay, so mention the Twitchies.
All right. So, if you like what you're seeing, you can like and subscribe on YouTube, follow on Twitter. All right, and Twitch, and we Twitch all weekend.
We don't.
We also you can see dev streams that we stream on Twitch Monday through Saturday at all different times of the day. Get your day on the day.
I hate myself. I have to edit this together, you know that, right? Give me something coherent.
Okay, all right. So if you like what we're doing, you can like on fuck and
My god.
I have the hardest problem, guys, with branding. Okay.
Do the rest of it fine. Just do the outro.
Okay, alright. So if you like what we're doing, you can like and subscribe on YouTube, follow us on Twitter, like us and like our page on Facebook, and if you really are into it, you can give us money on Patreon to help us support for you. And if you really like what we're doing, you can what? Guys, stop! Why am I the actor?
You just broke down.
Do you want me to restart? I'll restart. Okay, round 47. All right. If you like what we're doing, you can. If
YouTube.
if you like, I know I got a list. It's even this.
God.
All right. If you like what we're doing, you can like and subscribe us on YouTube, follow us on Twitter, and like us on Facebook. We also have a Patreon that you can donate to help support the game, and we stream Monday through Saturday on Twitch.
Okay, that's not true.
Why not?
We don't
Fuck!
stream on
We
Monday.
Tuesday. All right. I'm getting the flow down, guys. I'm getting the flow. Getting the flow. You know, it's flowing through me. If you like what we're doing, you can like and subscribe us on YouTube, follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and you can also and we also have a Patreon that you can donate money to how fuck is it donating?
It's fine.
All right, so if
Just
you
support us on Patreon.
yeah, I like that one. All right, we'll do that one, blood. You good? All right. If you like what we're doing, you can like and subscribe us on YouTube, follow us on Twitter, and that was a little voice crack. That was good shit. All right, if you like what we're doing, you can like us, you can like us or hate us. It's up to you.
This is longer than the actual thing. Oh my god.
If you like what we're doing, you can like and subscribe on... I can't. I'm a broken man! Hold on. Alright, hold on. I'm just gonna have a piece of chicken. Calm my nerves.
Hurry up, I have to go eat.
Okay.
He'll still be doing this long past the time you're eating.
Alright. If you like what we're doing, you can like and subscribe on YouTube, follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, or you can support our Patreon to help support the game. And we stream Tuesday through Saturday on Twitch.
Oh my god, he did it.
I'm so proud of you, Kill.
Thanks. Thanks, guys. I'm the best.
See you in 2 weeks.